Hello everybody, this is Dan with Learning to Smoke, and today we're going to go over one of the most popular recipes on my blog right now, which is smoked buttery shrimp. Very simple to make, only takes about 20-25 minutes on your grill, probably about less than 5 minutes of prep time here, 6 ingredients, and it's going to be just the greatest thing that you'll have in the history of your life. Maybe, maybe not, we'll see. Now that I have your attention, I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. Going to do a close-up so you can see all that in action. Here we go. Going to take this nitrile glove here for handling raw food. Going to lay the shrimp in here. The shrimp has been deshelled and deveined already, so you may have to do that depending on where you get it from your local grocery store. Anyway, my local grocery store already had it deshelled, deveined. At least they had that option. So I went ahead and went with it. I could have paid more for other shrimp that was not deshelled or deveined. Go figure. So I'm gonna make rows of 3 here, and I ordered a pound of shrimp. A pound of shrimp will usually give me about 15 to 18. So we'll see what happens here. And keep laying these in. There's usually a wild Argentine red shrimp I love to use from Omaha Steaks. It's really good, but today I am using these. Which is just fine. You know what? I may be able to fit more than just 5 rows of 3. It looks like I can do maybe 6 rows of 3 here. Sorry, or 3 rows of 6. There you go, 3 rows of 6. I'm good at math. Well, that's what I used to tell my math teachers, but they didn't believe me. And they were right. So we're going to do 6 rows of 3. Oh, get that out of there. So there we go, 6 rows of 3. And now I'm going to apply some seasoning here. The seasoning that I'm using is Qunami from Lane's Barbecue. I love their seasoning for seafood, especially. It's an Asian fusion rub. Has some good color to it as well. So I have about a tablespoon, but I'm gonna sprinkle a little lightly first. Well, in some spots I am. So we got that. Now I've got a stick of melted butter, so that's a ½ cup, and I'm going to take a clove of minced garlic, dump that in there as best as I can. In fact, here, let me take my finger, put it in there. Okay. And now, I'm gonna mix it up. Just like that, and now I'm going to pour it over the shrimp. So even if you don't get it all over it, that's just fine. It's all a mix here. You can also mix it in a bowl, all the ingredients together in a bowl and do it that way, but I'm going back to my original roots of how I used to make this recipe and do it that way. Oh, and then also we've got the lemon here. I'm gonna slice that into quarters. So got it in half now. Gonna do a quarter here. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze a quarter of a lemon. Well, I've got a quarter of a lemon, but I'm not gonna squeeze all of it. I'm gonna squeeze some of it in here. So as you know, seafood and lemon go very, very well together. There's that. Now I'm gonna add a couple sprigs of rosemary. I'm gonna put in between the rows. And just like that, we're ready for the grill. See you out there. Look at it, ain't it pretty? Well, now it's time to go on the grill. So the grill is at about 250, 275. And I'm gonna put it on here. I've got some pecan wood smoke rolling. I do like pecan with seafood. So now I'm gonna go ahead and close this lid. I'll check it in about 20-25 minutes. It's been about 20-25 minutes. You can tell the shrimp, they are this orange reddish color here. So they're definitely done. Finishing temperature, usually what you want to look for is about 120 degrees. That's right when shrimp is done and ready to be eaten. Anyway, take it off the grill, as you can see. Now we're gonna head inside and eat these up. And here it is, barbecue family, the smoked buttery shrimp. They are done. Only took about 20-25 minutes on the grill to make. Anyway, as you can see, we got some really good red orangish texture here. Take a look at that, huh? See something you like? Dripping all over my counter? I don't mind. We'll go ahead and take a bite and show you what's up. You're gonna love this. It's got that buttery flavor that you like there with shrimp, but it also has some of that pecan smoked flavor added to it. So it adds a nice little element here to the shrimp. It makes a great side dish, excellent surf and turf. It could even be your main dish if you want. In fact, I think this is gonna be my main dish for dinner here. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Go ahead and like this video if you do like it. And please subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. Also in the future, I'm gonna be doing some more tutorials on basics of smoking, as well as some product reviews and some unboxings. So please stay tuned for those. Take care.